Ready to unlock the full potential of TapSwap and dive into decentralized trading with your crypto wallet? Let's walk through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to connect your wallet to TapSwap so you can start trading first. Navigate to the TapSwap website or open the TapSwap application on your device. Look for the prominent Connect Wallet button, typically found in the top right corner or center of the screen. Click on the Connect Wallet button, and a list of compatible wallets will appear. TapSwap supports a variety of wallets, including MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and more. Select the wallet you prefer to use. For this example, let's assume you're using MetaMask. A MetaMask pop-up window will appear, asking for your permission to connect to TapSwap. Carefully review the connection request, paying close attention to the permissions being requested by TapSwap. These permissions typically include viewing your wallet address and suggesting transactions. If you're comfortable with the permissions, click the Connect button within the MetaMask pop-up. This authorizes TapSwap to interact with your wallet. You may be prompted to select an account if you have multiple accounts within your wallet. Once connected, your wallet address will be displayed on the TapSwap interface, confirming that the connection was successful. You may also see a small icon indicating that your wallet is connected. Now that your wallet is connected, you can start exploring all that TapSwap has to offer. You can begin trading cryptocurrencies, participating in liquidity pools, and engaging in other blockchain activities directly through the TapSwap platform. Always remember to trade responsibly and be mindful of your wallet permissions. Happy trading!